Morning, everyone. Making a video of me snow plowing again. Not what I wanted to do today, but nothing I can do about it. Hell's that rattle? Anyhow, oh, I got a rattle in here. It's just driving me nuts. Anyhow, we've got about somewhere around 10-12 inches of snow, and it is not letting up. It's been snowing since last night about 7-8 o'clock, somewhere around there is when it started, and it's just been coming down. And they're talking another 3 to 5 inches today. Then it's supposed to stop probably about 7-8 o'clock tonight, or maybe a little earlier. I can't remember now. No, I think it was supposed to stop at 2 and then start up again at 7-8 o'clock again tonight. And they're talking another 3 to 5 inches after that. And then we're not supposed to get any snow after that, or the next day we're not supposed to get any snow, which would be Thursday. And it's supposed to start snowing again Friday, and that's going to continue on till like Sunday or Monday, I think, something like that. 30-40% chance of snow every day. So if this keeps going, we're gonna get way more snow than I want to ever get, especially this time of the year, because the ground is thawed out enough where if you get anywhere off of the driveways, just like the last snowstorm, you're just peeling up sod. So I don't know how this is gonna work, and it's just becoming real annoying now. So, and I'm gonna have to stop here because I got a couple driveways I gotta open up just because the people have to get out because they have appointments. But the worst part about it is I have to plow a path through the road or down the road so they can get out, because none of the roads have been plowed yet. And it's what is it, 9 o'clock this morning right now. So it's just kind of a nightmare right now. So I'm gonna plow these 2 driveways out here, and then I'll get right back with you. Those 2 driveways are done. I just wanted to, the people had to get out to go to work. They gotta, or actually no, not go to work. They had some appointments they had to go to, doctor's appointments, and you know how doctor's appointments are. If you cancel it, it takes you forever to get back into them. So I am going to take a break from the snow plowing things, just because it's kind of a waste of my time right now. It's because it's just coming down so hard. But I see the plow trucks are coming back out on the streets now, and yeah, I'm just waiting for them right now. There's a couple of them here, a couple of city trucks. It's a lady driving that one. She flagged me down to stop me just so they can get this intersection cleared up. So this is not what I wanted to be doing today. This month would be in April. I started plowing in November, so that means 6 months of snow plowing. That's about 3 months too long. So it passed, I think it's about the past 3 years it's been that way. It starts snowing in November and it doesn't stop snowing until May, or middle of April, 1st of April, something like that. But it used to be, it would start snowing right around Christmas time, and it'd be done about end of February, beginning of March. like I said, the past 3 years it's all changed. I don't know what's going on, but it's just the way the patterns have been going for us. So it's just kind of a pain in the butt for us, but and I get tired of plowing snow that long, but there's nothing I can do about it at this point in time. So I'm just gonna go home, take a break for a while, let the city trucks and county trucks get out and plow some of these streets off, because, oops, sorry about the bump. I'm gonna have to go back and open these driveways up after they go through anyhow, so I might as well just take about a 2-hour break, and then hopefully the snow will start letting up, and I can just go out and clean these driveways up, and I have to come back to them. And another thing that's going on is since the ground is not frozen, the snow is melting. So when you plow the snow up off the driveway and it's wet, and then the next snow comes on, goes over it, it is freezing. So it's creating ice. So it's just going to be a battle with this for the next 2 days. Oh yeah, I'm back. I just got by my house here and the plow just went through, so I went and did, was it 1, 2, 3 driveways and my driveway, and now I'm just going to go take a break. Well, with this late snowfall that we got, or snowfall, yeah, this late snowstorm, gives a little bit of extra boost, I guess, to the paycheck or the checkbook, but I'd still rather be out doing spring cleanups, which I was hoping to do this week, because everything was drying up nice again. Now we're at least another 2 weeks out. And here in about a week there, when it starts hitting about 50 degrees, the snow's going to melt fast, and the river's going to start flooding over pretty good, so I should be able to get some good video of the dams when I start opening them up to see what them look like. So at least something different for the future here. And I was really hoping to be out doing spring cleanups this week, but I just can't do it. But anyhow, I'm going to go in and take a break, and then start back out here again. And I'm back out plowing. Went in, took about an hour and a half break, something like that, ate some breakfast, and started editing some of the video that I've got done so far. It's probably going to be about 3 or 4 parts of this video, just because it's going to take me so long to do this. And I'm going to try and get a video up tonight. So it's going to be a little bit of a rush job on a video, but I think I should be able to get fairly close to what I want, or what I like, I should say. So right now I'm going to go out and plow out the parking lot I plowed this morning. It's got to be redone so people can be there back there at noon. Or actually when the parking lot empties out at noon, so when they come back from lunch, the parking lot's all cleaned out and there's nobody getting stuck. So that's the whole biggest thing right now, is keep people from getting stuck. And we're also under winter storm warning, I think it is. I think that's what it said. Winter storm warning for the next 2 hours. And they said we're supposed to get another 2 to 4 inches of snow in this next few hours here, the next couple hours. But the thing is, the sun's kind of peeking out through the clouds here and there, so I don't know if we're like in the middle of it, like the eye of the storm or something like that, and then it's going to hit us again after that, but I don't know. That's probably what's going to happen. But hopefully the sun stays out and the storm blows off, that way I don't have to deal with it any more than I have to. The temperature, the winds right now, I think they're supposed to be up to like 35 miles an hour, and the temperatures are supposed to be dropping through the day. So I think it's about, well, according to my truck here, it's 24 degrees out right now. That's 4 degrees cooler than it was when I started at 4 o'clock this morning, or 4:30, whatever it was. and it's supposed to drop all the way to 10 degrees tonight, so that's going to freeze everything right up for tomorrow for me to work. So so I'll be plowing quite a bit tonight, or into the dark I should say. I'll probably get a video of that, and then I'll be going home, getting some rest, and be back out in the morning. And I know if I'm lucky, I'll get it all done tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to happen. So there's a lot of people in this parking lot yet. So I'm going to have to go do one more driveway and then come back to this parking lot. So I'm going to go do that right now. Just to give you an idea how bad it is out here right now. These vehicles haven't been here very long, and you can see the drifts in between them. You can kind of see the snow blowing there. So this is just not good today. So I may have plowed this parking lot out this morning, but you cannot tell it. So like I said, I'm just gonna wait here a couple minutes to see if these vehicles are gonna leave, but I'm not positive what's gonna happen here. So I'll just give it about 5 minutes, and if they're all taken off, then I'll clean it all up. If not, I'll just leave and come back. The parking lot is done. Now I'm going to do 2 driveways. There's one I want to get to, just because it's that really narrow one there, and that person's got a small car, so I want to make sure they can get in and out of that driveway there. And with this storm warning we got, the radio is advising everybody to stay off the streets, so the plows can get all their work done, and just because it's very hazardous driving. Well, everybody's still out on the streets. The weather hasn't slowed down too many people, so they're still out on the street. So I'm gonna go take care of these 2 driveways, and we'll see what happens from there. Yeah, I thought I'd turn the camera on this driveway just to show you what I'm going through, because the snow is so heavy, my plow keeps climbing up over it. This is that narrow one, and now I'm spinning. So I have to keep hitting this pile to get it through this little area, or little narrow area. This is not good. Yeah, and you have to angle the plow every now and then just to get you out of the snowbank too, like it just did there. Help push me back out of the snowbank. Okay, let's see if we can get this driveway just a little bit wider up by the house here, without hitting those. Or the fence. I know I've shown this before, but I'll show you again. There's the house. I guess back it up here a little bit. The worst part is this right here. That's for the city water. That's the outside meter that the city reads there. So that's what that little itty bitty driveway looks like after it's plowed. There's not much more I can do with that just because of the plow I have. With a 7.5 foot straight blade, that's the best I could do with this driveway. If I had a wide out plow where the sides would come out farther, I could get up closer to the house. But also, if you get up closer to the house, you might be breaking off siding with the snow falling into it. I'm not sure how that would work with that, but I just don't know. And then it's snow's just swirling around between these two houses. I'm sure there was about 1.5 foot between the house and the fence there, and it was just tough pushing on it. And this driveway took twice as long as it should have taken, because it's not much of a driveway, as you can see there. So I think I'm going to end my video in this driveway just for this video, because it's going to be probably 3 or 4 videos just because I have so much work to do, and at least I can make some videos for people to watch for some entertainment or something. But so it's going to be, hopefully this video will be up tonight. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but so that is going to be the end of this video. And I'd like to thank everybody for watching and subscribing. And if you check out the links in the description box below the video, that'd be greatly appreciated. And everybody have a good evening, and we will see you at the next yard.